There are lots of things wrong with the current building regulations here in Australia. And I see it as our mission to educate people about better ways of designing and building homes. But to cut a long story short, in Australia, energy efficiency is only assessed pre-construction on a pure theoretical level. There are no compliance checks in place, meaning that wherever you get a high-performing home or not is almost like entering the lottery. You might be lucky and get a good builder that knows what they're doing, or you might not. But there is no real way of knowing. There are no guarantees, which is why I love the Passive House standard. Passive House is a rigorous but voluntary standard. Passive buildings are comprised of a set of design principles used to attain a guaranteed, quantifiable, and rigorous level of energy efficiency within a specific quantifiable comfort level under a fabric-first design philosophy. The houses are checked and assessed pre- and post-construction. In my opinion, it's currently the only way of building a guaranteed, high-performing, and healthy home. There's no guesswork. Passive buildings require 90% less energy than a standard home, by also looking at the occupant's comfort and also delivering the highest level of indoor air quality, clearing the air of dust mites, pollen, CO2, and regulating humidity, making sure there is no mold ever. Once you've looked into the Passive House standard, there's really no turning back anymore. And while we integrate passive solar design principles into all our designs, because I guess you would be crazy if you don't use the sun's free energy, as a default, all our designs follow the Passive House design guidelines as best practice. And we incorporate as much as we can into each project while keeping a close eye on the client's budget.